Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervous Specialist. So part 2, I got radioed in the back and we had somebody pull in to come see me. Anyways, I try to get in early so I can do some of these videos before customers show up or the techs show up and gets crazy busy around here. But going back to this Dexter EasyFlex kit, right? There's different graphs and stuff online where you can go in and you can see like the difference that it does on the improvement for vibration and G-forces to the coaches for when the axles are teeter-tottering in and out of stuff. Again, this unit came in for a wheel bearing pack, and of course we found that the seals had leaked, and we found all the center suspension, it was stock. So it was just a solid equalizer. He never had any kind of upgrade on there before. And all the bushings were completely shot. You'll see that in another video that we're gonna post. So this now has the thicker bushings on it, wet bolts, bronze bushings. We've removed the U-bolts. Looks like we put new ones on, and we also witness marked them as well. Whenever you take off an axle or springs, that's always something you want to do. It's recommended from all the axle manufacturers not to go back with the old U-bolts. So if you're doing this yourself, make sure you change those out. But anyways, stay tuned for more. I'm getting called again, so I'm going to go see what's going on in the office. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Dustin, Nervous Specialist.